Lucid dreaming, a phenomenon where individuals become aware that they are dreaming while still in the dream state, has captivated the curiosity of people for centuries. Lucid dreaming offers a unique opportunity to explore and control the content of our dreams, creating a playground for the mind. In this video, we delve into the science behind lucid dreaming, exploring its benefits, techniques for inducing lucidity, and the potential implications for personal growth and well-being. What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming occurs when a person is aware that they are dreaming during the dream itself. In this state, dreamers can actively participate, manipulate the dream environment, and even make conscious decisions. The experience of lucidity varies from person to person, ranging from a subtle awareness to a vivid and immersive state of control within the dream. The neurobiology of lucid dreaming. Research suggests that lucid dreaming involves increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for self-awareness, decision-making, and cognitive control. During non-lucid dreaming, this area typically exhibits reduced activity. The neurobiological understanding of lucid dreaming is still evolving, but studies using EEG and fMRI have provided valuable insights into the brain mechanisms underlying this phenomenon. Benefits of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming offers a range of potential benefits. For example, it can serve as a platform for creative inspiration, problem-solving, and self-exploration. Lucid dreamers can practice skills, confront fears, or simply enjoy imaginative experiences. Lucid dreaming has also been linked to improved psychological well-being, including reduced nightmare frequency and increased overall sleep quality. Techniques for inducing lucid dreams. Various techniques can help individuals increase their chances of having lucid dreams. Reality testing, such as regularly questioning one's waking state throughout the day, can spill over into dream awareness. Keeping a dream journal can enhance dream recall and promote the recognition of dream signs, which can trigger lucidity. Other methods include mnemonic induction, wake back to bed, and the use of external stimuli like light and sound. Lucid dreaming and personal growth. Lucid dreaming has the potential to facilitate personal growth and self-discovery. Exploring the dream realm can provide insights into the subconscious mind, aiding in the resolution of emotional conflicts and the cultivation of creativity. Some individuals use lucid dreaming as a tool for practicing skills, rehearsing presentations, or even enhancing physical performance through mental rehearsal. Ethical considerations and sleep hygiene. While lucid dreaming offers exciting possibilities, it is essential to consider ethical aspects and maintain healthy sleep habits. Balancing waking life responsibilities with the exploration of the dream world is crucial. Promoting good sleep hygiene, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing sleep environment, and practicing mindfulness, can support both lucid dreaming endeavors and overall well-being. Conclusion. Lucid dreaming stands at the intersection of science and the mysteries of the human mind. It offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential of consciousness and its influence on the dream world. By understanding the science behind lucid dreaming and practicing techniques for inducing and enhancing lucidity, individuals can unlock the power of their minds to explore, create, and gain valuable insights within their dreams. As you embark on your journey into lucid dreaming, remember to approach it with curiosity, respect, and a commitment to balance. Lucid dreaming can be a tool for personal growth, self-exploration, and even entertainment, opening up new possibilities for experiencing the realm of dreams like never before. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on fun and facts.